Hello everyone, welcome again to my tutorial. Today I want to show you how to create a table of content on Microsoft Word for your project. Now I have this project and I need now to create a table of content. Let me take you through step by step in this tutorial so that you may understand how exactly you can create a table of content for your project. Now, the first thing you need to do is to select various heading, and when we check on this side, we have headings. You can click on this button here, and on this button here, we are going to have different headings here. We have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, like that. Now, let me begin with dedication. I'm going to highlight it like that. Then I'm just going to heading 1, and on heading 1 you can right click, then modify. You can give it size 12, can give it font face Times New Romans. You can leave the color as font color as automatic, then click OK. Now we're going to pick heading 1 like that. Let me modify again. Let me move it at the center, align it at the center like that. Okay, now we're moving down. Acknowledgement will still be our heading 1. Move down. Abstract will still be our heading 1. Chapter 1 will still be our heading 1. Introduction here will be our heading 1. Let me make it heading 1. Background of the study will be heading 2. I will still have to modify this heading 2. I'll give it size font face New Times Roman, so change it to size 12 like that. Then okay, so I'm going to give it heading 2. Scroll down. This one is going to be our heading 2. Heading 2. We're going to still work with this one as heading 2. Heading 2. You can still control key on the keyboard and highlight like that. Then you apply once. Now we have chapter 2. That one will be our heading 1. Introduction will be heading 2. That is going to be our heading 2 as well. This one's going to be our heading 2. Let me control this key on the keyboard and select the heading which I need to apply heading 2 at once, like that. This one also still going to be our heading 2. Heading 2. Accountability domain 2. Then we have references will be our heading 1. To apply that, this one has to be down here. Okay, 3 will be our heading 1. Research methodology will still be our heading 1. This is going to be our heading 2. This one is going to be our heading 3. Let me also modify this module 3. We'll give it size 12. Font face will be Times New Romans, and that, so it will be more 3. This one is going to be 3. Let me control key and highlight them at once. We have chapter 4. This one is going to be our heading 1. This one is going to be our heading 2. This one will be our heading 3. Heading 3 like that. And you can still improve. You can improve these ones as well. Be heading 3. I'll make these ones heading 2. I will still have to apply these ones as well as heading 3. I can still include them as heading 3. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and I find this video or tutorial very important, please take 1 or 2 seconds and subscribe to this channel. Remember, this is a young channel and we need to grow it, and your support is very important for this platform, for this channel to grow. You can still apply like that. Heading 2, heading 2. Chapter 5 here will be our heading 1. This one, I will use this one as our heading 2. This will still be our heading. I'll use this one as a heading 3. Heading 3 like that. Sorry, I'll use these ones as heading 2. They're supposed to be heading 2, and this one now will be heading 3. That way. So this one's going to be heading 3. Make sure you select all of them like that. Then you apply heading 3. We have appendix here. Appendix is going to be heading 1. This one is going to be our heading 1. We still have this one. We shall use it as our heading 1. We can still include section A as our heading 2. Heading 2, still use this one as this one. We're going to use it as a heading 3. Marital status, heading 3. Experience, heading 3. These ones, we're going to highlight it and use it as our heading one, like that. Now, after you are finished, you go to this tab called Reference. That one. Click there. Then you come to this table of content here. After click there, then you can choose any table that you want to use here. So for this case, now before that, forgotten something. You need to scroll back to where you need to place this content, your table of content under. For example, here now I have this is where I need to place my table of content. You have to click there. Make sure you click there. Then you go to reference, that table of contents. You can use any table here. So for this case, I'm going to pick the first one like that. Then boom. Now the table of content has been created. Table of content has been created. You can still modify if you need it, but for this tutorial, I've already created my table of content. This is how simple you can create a table of content in your project. Follow the very steps which I've taken you through, and you'll be able to create table of content. If you find this video very important, please can you subscribe to this channel. It's a young channel and we need to grow this channel. For those who have subscribed, I want to thank you for the support, and please continue supporting this channel. Bye bye.